Hello, it's me again. So this week, I know I promised a body post because I was gonna work on body pictures, and you'll see I'm sketching in this video at the beginning, trying to find something to draw, and I drew a puppy and it was the cutest dog to me, so I had to finish it. I don't know why. I guess I haven't drawn animals in a long time. I don't even know why I drew the dog when I was trying to focus on people. And I just thought he was so cute. So I decided I had to finish making the dog, or I couldn't draw that day if I didn't finish him. So this is another just like tiny sketch video. The next one's probably gonna be a little longer, or I'm gonna have to accelerate it. For this dog, he took me around an hour and 10 minutes, I would say, so not too long. I see tiny bits of improvement this week. However, I still see just pieces where I'm not doing as good as I feel like I should. I definitely need to focus more on line work. My line work is pretty shoddy. It's not pretty. I don't like focusing on the line work. It's the most just part of drawing to me. I really like sketching, I really like coloring, just not the line work. But so important to have good line work, or else the end result couldn't be as good as it should, if that makes sense. So the next one I'm gonna try and work on the line work a little more, just try and make something awesome. But yeah, this little doggy, as you can see, he's very confused and discombobulated, and that's because he's surrounded by bacon. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably one of my favorite pictures, even though it's not the best, it's not very well executed. I don't have a lot of contrast in my shading again. I'm also using Photoshop this week, and for next week's video, I like Krita. However, there's just a few inconsistencies with it. The brushes sometimes don't fill well the way the pressure system works. Sometimes it just decides it's not going to work with my drawing tablet, which is really annoying and takes a good 15 minutes to just get set up again. But it's got great ideas, so I'm gonna just keep it there for future use to see if they're gonna keep working on it. And next week I will have, like I said, a longer video. It's one I've already started working on, and it's taking me quite a while to finish, but I'm really liking how it's turning out. It's got a little bit of a body pose to it. You'll see though. It's a picture of a person, about half of their body. It stops at the torso, so I'm liking how it's going. And I just want to talk a little bit also about just how this week has been going for me inspiration wise. I don't know if it's because I've started doing these videos, but I've started getting a lot more inspired just kind of every day when it comes to creating something. Typically during my day, the only time I do any type of artwork is at night after my day's pretty much done. But here recently, I've started just starting doodling more throughout my day. I'm more excited to create now than I have been in a long time. So I don't know if it's because of these videos, like I said, but I'm excited about it. Hopefully this kind of keeps on going, and I promise I'm gonna keep these videos up, hopefully, unless for some reason I just forget for another 5 weeks. But we'll see. But again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the end of this video, and I will see you next week. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.